Getting my head together here. May the 4th be with you, I guess, is the... Yeah, nerds. Nerds! Tomorrow used to be my favorite fucking holiday, man.
Cinco de Mayo.
Well, I held that gun and I did the crime, and I let that son of a bitch know she was mine. And she tried to run and I ran her down, and I left her with her sins dead on the ground. Now I wake up to the sound of the chain, and some days I may go borderline insane. Yeah, but I thank God in my present self. It is for her and him, it's another day in hell. Well, that judge proclaimed that I should die. Well, my mama begged, but it did not bat an eye. And they took my arm and they led me away to the waiting room on my final judgment day. Now I wake up to the sound of chains, and some days I may go borderline insane. Yeah, but I found God in my present self, and it's for her and him, it's another day in hell. No, 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 well, I barely felt that needle at all. I saw the phone, but old governor, he never called. So I closed my eyes and I slept off to sleep, and I prayed to dear sweet Lord my soul.